Hello, I'm Dr. Lily Ava, and welcome to my channel. I have a few suggestions that might help you on your journey to better health. First recommendation, try walking after meals, especially after lunch and dinner. Walking helps balance your insulin levels and prevents blood sugar spikes. Excess blood sugar can be stored as fat, which leads to an increase in visceral fat, something we definitely want to avoid. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of brisk walking each day. It doesn't need to be a sprint, but it should be more than a leisurely stroll. This will help burn calories and, more importantly, balance insulin in your body. After making it a habit for a couple of months, you'll notice how much lighter and energized you feel. If you skip it, your body will miss it. Trust me, I speak from experience. Second recommendation, add more vegetables to your diet. Vegetables are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. They help boost metabolism, improve digestion, and provide a feeling of fullness, which can help you eat less. If you want to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, eating fiber-rich veggies will help you consume fewer calories. Stick with seasonal vegetables. They're fresher and more nutritious. Plus, they promote a healthy gut, which is key for your mood and energy levels throughout the day. A healthy gut helps keep you active and burning more calories, helping you stay fit and happy. Third recommendation, ensure you're getting enough magnesium in your diet. Magnesium plays a crucial role in improving sleep quality, reducing stress, and boosting your mood. A good night's sleep will help your body repair and recharge. When you wake up feeling refreshed, you're more likely to make better food choices and resist cravings, especially for sugary snacks. To get more magnesium, try foods like sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, or other magnesium-rich sources. I personally recommend soaking a teaspoon of sesame seeds in water overnight and chewing them 2 hours before bed. It's great for your joints, sleep, and overall health. Now, why do I keep emphasizing good mood, lower stress, and happiness? Because health and weight management aren't about extreme measures. They're a journey, not a competition. If you're trying too hard, cutting down too much, or pushing yourself with extreme exercise, you won't be able to maintain it long term. Instead, make small, sustainable changes that you can continue for the rest of your life. Weight loss is a lifelong process, and it should be approached with patience and joy, not stress. I hope these tips help you. Keep smiling, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, smile more and enjoy the journey to better health.